Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to add a card to Samsung Wallet. First, unlock your phone and find the Samsung Wallet app. Tap on it to open the app. When the app opens, you will see the main screen with different wallet options. Next, look for the plus icon. This is the Add button. It is usually near the payment card section or clearly visible on the main screen. Tap on the plus icon to start adding a new card. Now you will be asked to choose a card type. Select Payment Cards, then tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. This will take you to the card setup screen. At this point, you have two options. You can scan your card or enter the details manually. If you choose to scan, allow camera access if asked. Hold your card steady and aim your camera at it. The app will automatically read the card number and expiry date. If you prefer to type the details yourself, tap Add Card manually and carefully enter the card number, cardholder name, and expiration date. Once all details are entered, tap Next. Read and agree to the terms shown on the screen. Your bank will now verify the card. When verification is done, your card will be added to Samsung Wallet and ready to use. Thanks for watching.